Ring a Meal, commission-free restaurant online ordering system for carry-out and delivery. Blue Jay Payment System provide low-cost credit card payment processing service for restaurant, beauty salons, and nail salons since 2002. Blue Jay Post for salons and restaurant. Free salon post software, restaurant post software with Blue Jay Payment merchant account. No long-term contracts. Cancel anytime without fee. Download now on Google Play.
Hi, do you know that working as a food delivery worker for a dedicated restaurant as a W-2 employee or sometime independent contractor will make more money and more often double that what you can make as a gig delivery driver for the food delivery app? And here's why. The customer who order food from the restaurant with dedicated a driver are more satisfied with the delivery service because they see the same drivers more or less every time they order. And the service is reliable. Compared to the drivers on the delivery app, let's face it, we don't have to say it. You know, I know. Most drivers care less. They pay so little. There's nothing they can do to make the customer who order food give them a bigger tip. Nothing. Nothing they can do. The people who order on the apps already force or pressure by the app to give tip in order for those companies to reduce the base pay. And the people who order on this app are conditioned to lousy service and higher fee. Now, therefore, the people who order food regularly for the family at dinner time or for the whole office at lunchtime will not order through this app because it's unreliable, costs a lot. The food showed up sometime 40 minutes and hours or more after they order. That's why they're not going to order through those apps. And working as a delivery driver for those apps, naturally, is not going to make you any more money. You just got some sort of an order, a hamburger here to deliver a guy over there. And sometimes you and me know it, a few donuts, half a dozen of donuts that deliver 4 or 5 miles away. There's no way to make a living like that. But you say, well, I'm on those apps. I'm my own business. I got no boss to tell me what to do. I flip on the app. When I want, I flip it up on I want. Well, that's fair enough. And bear in mind, if you look at my weekly report on how I make on food delivery app, you know that you probably make, after all expenses, real expenses, about $30.80 on an average. That's what you give up, okay? Give up for a sense of being your own boss. Flip the app on and off as you wish. And well, that's a legitimate reason to do that. If you using this as a stepping stone to do something else, or this is just what you can get for now. Okay? But if you really intend to make a living as a food delivery worker, then working for a delivery app is not going to be it. That is why I developed a food delivery platform called Ring a Meal. I combine the best of both worlds. For driver, you're able to flip on and flip off the app to accept order at any time you want. And for the restaurant, they are able to maintain a direct relationship with their customer. And on our Ring a Meal platform, the restaurant doesn't pay commission. They get 100% of their proceeds. Okay. And for the customer, they pay a flat fee, whereas the order is $10 or $100. They pay a flat fee. Mostly, this customer will order from their favorite restaurant around dinner time or during the office lunch, and the order usually big. Now, how can the driver make more money under this setup? Because the drivers are dedicated to a restaurant group, which is about 4 or 5 or 6 restaurants around your neighborhood. And as long as you live in those neighborhoods, if you have an order coming in, you can just go out and do the delivery. You would get a flat fee for delivery and also 100% of the tip. And most of the time, you will get a multiple order from the same restaurant or the restaurant next door or so, and you still get a full delivery fee, not like the delivery app. If you stack the order, they skim the stacking order, the money that otherwise you're supposed to make. And as a dedicated a driver, you will get more tip. There is ways that for you to work on in your part how to make the customer happy by demonstrating that you are on time, the food coming in is in good condition, and the customer seeing you from time to time. Once they get familiar with the same driver, they will give you more tip, mostly cash tip. Okay. And that is the best of both worlds. As you know, for the customer nowadays, when you try to order on the app, because the restaurant pay them those app delivery platform huge commission, 25%, 28%, sometimes 32%. Now, if you don't pay, your restaurant will never see the light of day on their platform. And that is why they jack up the price on those apps. And when the customer order from those restaurants, combined with the fee as a customer pay with those delivery app, and the inflated price on those platforms, they shout out a lot more money as a customer. That is why you never get good customer as a delivery driver on those platforms. Try out our Ring a Meal if you like more information. Contact me in the description box below, and we will discuss how you can benefit of doing this. And you can also be a referral agent. You get commission when you sign up new customer.